How to get a list for sale by owner properties. For sale by owner homes are sold by the homeowner without the help of a listing agent or broker. This can benefit a home buyer by having direct communication with the seller. For wholesalers and real estate agents, for sale by owner lists can be used as leads for motivated sellers too. We can get this information from sites like Zillow. But what if we want to get this data into a list or Excel file? In this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide to get Zillow for sale by owner listings in any city. We will use web scraping with absolutely no code. My name is Ariel Herrera, your fellow data scientist with the AnalyticsAriel channel, where we bridge the gap between real estate and technology. I am passionate about providing data solutions. Follow my channel to get the latest content of real estate analytics. And stay tuned to the end where I provide you tips and other creative strategies for finding motivated sellers. All right, let's get started. To find motivated sellers, we could use Zillow. Zillow is a free platform to use. In my case, I'm going to look for sale by owner properties in my city, Tampa, Florida. In my view, I could see on the left-hand side a map of all the properties that are currently for sale on the market. Then on the right-hand side, I could see more detail about these specific listings, and I could dive in further. Now, if you see here, there's two different toggles. We have agent listings, and then we have other listings. To find for sale by owner properties, they will not be listed by an agent. That's why we have to select other listings. Here we can see now properties that are for sale by owner. If we select one of these properties, we can get more information as well how to contact the owner and their number. For our use case, we want to actually get this into a list that we could either reach out to individually, market to. There are many use cases. But how do we actually do this? Well, we're going to use Browse AI. What is Browse AI? Browse AI is a web automation software that learns to perform data extraction, monitoring, and automation tasks on the web simply by observing someone perform the actions just once. Browse AI records your actions as you move through a web page. It can scrape many sites, including social media, county information, real estate websites, and more. Browse AI has a free amount of credits per month. Use the link below to receive a 10% off if you later sign up for a plan. Here, I will click log in since I already have an account. Once you sign up, you'll be able to see all of your robots for Browse AI. Browse AI already has pre-built robots, and some of them are specific to Zillow. So we're going to use and select Browse Pre-Built Robots. Next, we have a list of different types of robots already set. And for our use case, we want to extract a list of properties from Zillow. And we could either download this data or we could send it to Google Sheets, Airtable, or whatever our CRM is. So let's select this here. Browse AI gives us a brief overview of their pre-built robot, what it is, and how it works. We're going to get 6 different fields back, including price, description, address, listed by, image, and detail link. Let's use this automation. To start, we just need to send our URL of what we want to search for. So in our case, this is going to be Tampa, Florida for sale by owner. And then you could do this for your own city. And once you have selected the type of properties that you'd like, you come up to the URL, right click, and select copy. Next, we're going to enter the link by pasting it, and we could select the max amount of properties. Just be aware if you're on a free plan or if you're on a membership plan, what your limitations are. Here, I'm going to select 100 properties. Then I'm going to click next. We can quickly review our robot and then select start extracting. In only a few seconds, Browse AI completes. And now we can see the information that we were looking for. We have price, bedroom, bathroom, area square footage, description, the address, which is very important, image, and detail link. It has in total 71 items, which matches what we saw for the amount of for sale by owner listings. We can go down further to look at the final screen and all the steps that Browse AI took. This is great. Now, if we want to run the task again in the future, we can input different search URLs as well, in case we want to look at cities that aren't Tampa, Florida. We could also look at our history of what we've ran, download our Excel files here. We can monitor and set up the bot to look for new for sale by owner listings. And we could also integrate it with different platforms and even have it as a REST API. This would allow us to connect to our CRM. Now, going back to our list, how would we actually contact these property owners? Well, if we look over at the detail link, this will give us detail of the property itself. And here we could actually see the property owner's contact information. Browse AI does have property details as one of the pre-built bots if we want to go get this data. However, one of the limitations here is that we don't actually get the property owner's name. How do we find that? Well, if we go over and open up Fast People Search, we can find the property owner based on their number or the address. So let's try that now. I'm going to copy over the property owner's number and I'm going to paste it in phone number. Then hit free search. Here we could see the owner of the property's name is Travis, as well as Travis's age, full name, current home address, and it looks like Travis has several rental properties within Tampa and Orlando. This is great information to have because now when we reach out to Travis, we know he has other properties. We could try to bundle in and see if he's looking to sell multiple properties. As well, knowing that he's investor friendly, we can maybe do some creative deals and maybe do seller financing. Now you may be thinking, great, I was able to get for sale by owner properties. I can now evaluate them. I know how to reach out to the property owners, but is this the entire landscape of for sale by owners? Can I find more people to reach out to? Yes. Another creative strategy that you can take is looking for landlords who may be tired. These could be landlords that have their property on the market for a long period of time, and you can find these owners using tools like PropStream. You could find properties that are currently either vacant or the property owner, that's not their actual home, which means they are likely an investor. If you'd like to try out PropStream, click the link below to start your free 7-day trial. As well, if you have strategies to find for sale by owner properties or other creative methods with data, then please leave comments below and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks.